April 22nd, 2022. Getting ready to put the boat in. Bottom all looking great. Ooh, baby. Gonna be a good year. Exciting, boys and girls.
Leave it up there?
What?
Leave it up there?
No. Probably one of the earliest days we got it in the water. Yeehaw! Time for some stripers. Boat's in, she's floating. We're on our way. Yeehaw. For a little sea cruise.
So far, so good. We running. Woo!
Little boat trip for the beginning of the 2022 season. Success. It's in the slip. Next adventure, probably some stripers. Tune back. He's got to go back. Tune in for the next episode.